Hi, I'm Stacy Hamilton with DeSalle Real Estate, and this is 4217 Rushing Road. This property is located in West Little Rock on 10 private acres. My seller had 2 horses, so there's full stable setups. The house, 3,600 square feet, built in 2011 as a custom build. I can't wait to show you this property. Come inside and check it out. As you come in, the first room you come to is the office. It's perfect for working from home. The home lives like a one level. There's concrete floors throughout, high ceilings, and large windows looking onto the back of the property. The house is 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths downstairs. Upstairs is a media room and exercise room. The upstairs rooms can be converted to a 4th bedroom and bath if you'd like. The living room, dining room, and kitchen are all open to each other, so they're perfect for hanging out. The kitchen has custom stained cabinetry and a 5-burner gas cooktop. The main bedroom faces the back of the house. Some beautiful views from the windows. The master bathroom has a huge soaking tub and a big rock shower that you're going to love. Back is a covered patio, a pool that's up to 8 feet deep. It's been well maintained. It's ready for the new owner. All you have to do is pull the cover off and you can enjoy the last couple months of summer. Also, the hot tub will stay. We're out at the stables now. The ceiling is insulated and they've got water and electricity out here with ceiling fans. There's 4 stalls and the feed and tack room is concrete floored. It's an excellent spot to bring out your horses.